Hi everyone, so today I'll be teaching you how to create a monochromatic makeup look. Monochromatic makeup is basically when the color that you put in your eyes is the same color that you apply on your lips. So today I went with hot pink tones, as you can see, and I'm really excited to show you how to do this makeup tutorial.
So first I'm going to prep my face with toner rose water from Lush. I'm then going to prime my face with the Porefressional from Benefit, and this is going to help smooth my skin out and remove any visible pores. I'll then be applying the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in tone 230, and I'll be applying this with my beauty blender all over my face using a patting motion so it can blend better. I recommend not using a brush if you use this foundation because it can leave streaks, and I just think it looks better with the sponge. Next, I'll be using the Hello Flawless powder by Benefit in the tone Hazelnut to kind of set my foundation. So just use a big fluffy brush and spread it all around your face for good coverage. Next, I'll be using the Mega Glow Bronzer by Victoria's Secret to contour my face. So I love using a powder contour. It looks more natural as compared to using a cream contour. To highlight my face, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'll be using Summer and Moonstone. So whenever I highlight, I usually like to highlight around my cheekbones and down the bridge of my nose, on top of my cupid's bow and my chin. To fill in my brows, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, and how I do this is I kind of outline my brow and then start to fill in any areas that I see are a little light. My eyeshadow, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and for my lids I'm using Tempera, so I'll just apply this all over the lids. So next I'll be using the Urban Decay Afterglow 8-Hour Powder Blush in Quiver. So this is actually a blush, but I'm using it on my lids because of the color that it has. It's super vibrant, I love it, and it really works well, so I recommend you trying to use a blush as an eyeshadow. And since this is a vibrant color, make sure to really blend it in, soften it up, so it won't look too harsh on your lid. So now I'm going in with the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm using the color Love Letter on my crease. So just apply the product along your crease and keep blending until you get the color that you really want. So next I'm highlighting my brown bow with Vermeer from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that we've been using. So just apply the product along your brow bone. I'm also adding some of that highlight into the inner corners of my eyes just to kind of brighten them up a little bit. Now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going to apply the Vegas Nay Eyelure Shining Star Lashes. I personally like to wear fake lashes, but if that's not your preference, you can go ahead and go in with any mascara to complete the look. For the lips, I'll be using the MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in Flat Out Fabulous. This lipstick is very vibrant, just with one layer you'll be good. I love the color, I love that it lasts all day, and it's super comfortable. And also, the color, if you notice, is kind of matches the lids, so it'll help complete our monochromatic look that we're going for. That completes our monochromatic look. This is a super fun look for the summer. I hope you all try it. I've seen other people use red tones and orange tones, so do whatever you want with it and have fun. Leave a comment down below if you try it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, y'all.